Okay, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about your final exam. I'm going to pull it up right here. It's on the 10th. It's due on the 10th, because we have to get grades turned in, so I can't make everything due on Thursday. So just don't forget to complete it by then. And don't open it again until you're ready. It's basically on chapter, the last things we did were some irregular preterites, chapter 7 vocabulary, and then the imperfect in chapter 8. So even though it says chapter 7 and 8, it's predominantly 7 with just that imperfect piece from 8. I think there's only one activity from 8. Anyway, so don't click continue until you're ready to take it, because remember, you only get one attempt, and I will not accept anything late. Do not even ask. Okay, sorry about that. Just something popped up and I didn't want to lose it. Okay. And I couldn't find my pause button. All right, so the first section. Listen to Erika describe the things that she likes to do in her free time. Then read each of the following statements and decide whether it's cierto or falso. If the information is not given, select no se menciona. So you've done all these before. Read each of those statements so you know what you're listening for. Then you can listen to this as many times as you want. Well, within 3 hours. You've got 3 hours to complete the test. And then just decide whether, based on what you've heard, if the statements are true or false or not mentioned. Okay, here we had weather vocabulary in chapter 7. So it says, do you know the weather expression? It's multiple choice. So they've given them, they've given the choices to you. So you just scroll through, and it's the same group of words you're given each time. So you should be able to narrow it down. ¿Qué es esto? This is vocabulary again. Es una prenda de ropa que se usa para nadar. So you use, do you know the vocabulary that talks about pastimes? Use the descriptions provided. Fill in the blanks with the correct vocabulary word. So don't forget to include the correct definite article. So right here it tells you to include the definite article. So that means that you need to put that in when you're writing your response. Okay, here again is vocabulary. Just read those statements and decide which of those words would best complete them. You don't need an article in this case, and you don't need to do anything to these words either. Again, here is vocabulary. Just decide what is this a picture of, and write the name of it out to the side, and this time you do use the definite article. Okay, complete the following sentence by choosing the appropriate verb. Okay, so you decide, the verb's already given to you, so you decide which verb would best complete the sentence. And you're going to do the same thing here. And the same thing here. And the same thing here. So you've got quite a few that you're doing the same thing on. Here the verb is given to you in a word bank. You just decide which one best completes the sentence and plug it in. Here it's vocabulary again. Just decide which word best completes the sentence and plug it in. And the last one, read this paragraph and then answer the questions below.